So, I don't have any internet, and when I don't have any internet, my world just crumbles, falls apart. I can't go 20 minutes without the internet, it's pathetic. So, I had the chords saved on my computer for Frontier Ruckus song, and I have no recollection of how the song actually goes, but I have the chords and I have the lyrics, and I'm going to hop on the YouTube ukulele bandwagon, and do a horrible version of this song because I'm incredibly bored. And there's two people that watch my videos, so hi Rex and hi Lance, and I guess here we go. And let's die in some dim town, brown eyes way to weigh us down. The candles round the trouble drown in our afternoons. Dark damp man muddied our house. In my dream to bleed your blouse, I smile from my sleep to douse the horror of this hour. Our boy dark hills blurry crawling, his rain glaze shake porches falling, his homes of his friends are sprawling, withering like the flowers. And I've loved you from a boy, no other autumn could destroy the town our winds fuse to enjoy, whispering dark farmlands. Tearing moves, these moves are tearing, sweet as tearing, this side daring, crumbling prayers, dark autumn's flaring, straight out of our hands.